Hello guys, welcome today in the additional of Thursday October the 15th 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, with 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2, and 1 binary puzzle. Total of 7 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all. I only do 4 of them. The first one is a 3-star Sudoku. Then I will do the 4-star Sudoku. One tectonic I will do, and 1 binary I will do. And this one will be a number 1757. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, the 3-star Sudoku, has 25 printed digits. You can check if I'm correct. So let's get started. Alright. Which number can I pick? Let me see. Which number? In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. And then in wait 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. I need to wait. How about yeah, the 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And can I continue with the 4? No, I need to wait again, just like with the number 6. How about the number? The number. Yeah. How about the 8 in the third row, the 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1 Can I continue with the 4? Yes, because we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2. All right. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1, 3. All right. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. There are 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And then 9, 5. Well. Yes. In this big square, 1 missing a number in one of those 4 missing numbers is one of the missing number here in those boxes, empty boxes, is the number 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 here. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So we have a 9 in this row, a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 9. How about how about 1, 5, 2. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Alright, and now we go to the middle column. We need a 5 in one of those missing 3 numbers. One of the missing number in the middle column is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. We have in this big square, one of those 2 boxes is a 5, so this box cannot be a 5. So this box can be a 5, that box can be a 5. We have a 5 there. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. That means 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 2 are missing. The 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 2. Well, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, a 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about the 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the column next, the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 3 and a 2. 2, 2. 3 and a 9, 9, 9. Well. Not easy, not easy at all. 7. 7. Alright. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. There, a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 5 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes and there. Now we have a 5 here. I have marked those 2 boxes with a 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. Yeah, this is supposed to be also a 5. 1, 3. Alright. Yeah. Okay, 2, 2. Yes. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in the first row, a 2 in one of those two boxes in the third row. So in the row between, only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. Wait. In this column, I need also a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 there. So the 2 should be in one of those 2 boxes. I need a 2 in the third column. But we see here a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. Yes. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3, and the 9 are missing. 3 and the 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 3 goes there. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. And 1 box left. The 7 goes in there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left. I've eliminated the 2. The 2 should be there. And 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 box left in this third row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing here. Those 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. The 1 and the 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Let me mark this. Let me write this correctly, and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this row, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here a 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in the last row, the 1 and the 2 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 2, that means 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this row, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. Oh, my pencil is almost empty. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 5 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes here. I need to change my pencil. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. And the final. No, we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. Yes, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Correct. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. Great, great, great. See you later. Bye bye for now.